Can you imagine a world where sustainability is not a far-fetched idea, but the norm? Here at Golden Gate National Recreation Area, we are challenging our visitors and staff to help us achieve the goal of making our park operations carbon neutral. We have been focusing on three main areas: energy, transportation, and waste. We're leading the way in producing our own renewable energy. Two pilot projects, the Crissy Field Center and the Cliff House, have small vertical axis wind turbines to generate clean energy, provide real-world data, and promote public interest in wind technology. But we're also taking advantage of our beautiful California sunshine. At the Crissy Field Center, Land's End Lookout, Cavallo Point Lodge, and Fort Mason, we use energy produced by solar PV systems. Fort Mason's PV system has generated over 66 megawatt hours of electricity in the past 3 years. It would take over 1,000 trees to eliminate that amount of carbon dioxide. One of our most popular attractions, Alcatraz Island, isn't connected to the power grid at all. All of Alcatraz's electricity must be produced on-site using solar power or a diesel generator. The new PV system saves us 33,000 gallons of diesel fuel and reduces our carbon dioxide emissions by 341 metric tons per year. Energy conservation begins even before reaching the rock. Our concessionaire, Alcatraz Cruises, uses wind and solar power on their hybrid ferries. In the northern half of our park, Marin County, our buildings use 100% renewable wind energy provided by Marin Clean Energy, a community-based organization. With access to all this clean energy, our park is a perfect place to promote electric vehicles. We now own 7 of them for staff use. Our employees love driving them so much that a growing number of them have purchased plug-in cars for themselves. And it doesn't stop there. Thanks to Adopt a Charger, our visitors can now charge their electric vehicles for free at the Crissy Field Center, with sponsorship from the National Parks Conservation Association. A second station at Muir Woods was funded by the Pacific Gas and Electric Company. Composting and recycling helps us reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfills. We participate in a citywide composting program that collects and processes organic materials and sends them to local farmers. To complete that cycle, we encourage our park cafes to purchase food from those same farms. Visitors can now fill their water bottles at the Golden Gate Bridge Pavilion to reduce their use of disposable water bottles. It's been such a success, we plan to install more across the park. All these efforts help make our parks more sustainable and reduce our carbon footprint. And we will continue to educate ourselves and share our best practices with others. But it will take everyone's efforts to make meaningful impact. Now is the time for our staff, park partners, and visitors to join us in creating a sustainable future.